Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, umorder tayo ng food sa Popeyes Chicken. I-review natin kung kumusta ba yung kanilang food. So, ang drink ko is water. Umorder tayo ng mix spicy and regular. Okay. And umorder din ako ng ito yung kanilang chicken. It's super nice din. Meron tayong super daming ketchup. Umorder din tayo ng dalawang extra garlic sauce. So, since malayo ang toilet, ayoko nang mapagod na pumunta doon. So, I decided na humingi ng gloves. So, kain tayo ng chicken from Texas. Okay? So, ito yung kanilang food. So, meron siyang french fries, meron siyang buns, and I don't think that yung kanilang chicken is medyo toasted or parang sunog, I don't know. But let's see and let's taste it. Okay? Yeah. So, ito. Comfortable tayo. And yung kanilang fries, sakto lang din. Medyo maalat. Pero malaki naman yung chicken nila, to be honest. So ito yung, I believe it is our original recipe. Sakto lang, hindi naman siya ganun kayami. Medyo dry yung chicken nila. Actually, I'm not sure kung anong klaseng chicken ginagamit nila. Is it fresh or frozen? Because sa KFC, they are using fresh chicken. Ang ganda ng garlic sauce, walang lasa. Actually, mag-process sila. So, wala na masyadong tao, kaya it's the best time for me na mag-review ng kanilang food kasi wala masyadong maingay. Walang special sa kanilang food, to be honest. From french fries to chicken, I believe KFC is way better. Actually, before ako pumunta ng Popeyes, I went to Texas Chicken. Kaya lang, wala na daw silang kabayan meal or bayani meal. 20 minutes pa daw. Ngayon, in 20 minutes mag-process sila. Paano nangyari yun? So, lipat ako sa Popeye's Chicken. Ito na nga yun. I never tried Texas chicken kasi that's why gusto ko siyang subukan. For Popeye's Chicken, i-rate natin siya from 1 to 5. 5 is the highest. For me, it's 3. Kasi walang kalasa-lasa yung chicken nila. As in, chicken lang talaga siya. Alam mo ba yung mas masarap paluto ng nanay ko dito? Of course, sabihin nyo, lutong bahay kasi yun. Which is true naman. So, kinakain ko ngayon, yun yung regular nila. Let's try kung ano yung lasa ng spicy mamaya. Sakto lang, by the way. So, natapos tayong kainin yung regular nila and wala lang, very normal. Alam mo yun, parang ako lang, very normal. Yung french fries nila ganun din, super normal, super ordinary. There's nothing special. Now, let's try their spicy chicken. Sabi niya mix, pero I don't feel this is a spicy chicken though. Wala ako nalasahan na spicy, to be honest. Tapos yung garlic sauce nila, walang lasa.
I don't think it's a mix. Because wala naman ako nalasang spicy pa. Baka ito. Let's try later. I don't know, bakit? Pagdating sa mga roasted chicken, they're not good into it. They are not, I don't know. This is super special ito ba? In the Philippines, KFC is totally different from Saudi. You know my name? Now, hintayin ko lang chicken. So, let's say kung it's spicy pa talaga to. Kasi, sa tatlong chicken na kinain ko, wala din spicy. Baka ito na yun. Spicy a little, I think so. Medyo. It's just spicy. Kasi naramdaman ko na siya. Spicy. Alam mo, Pilipinas, ang nanay ko nagluluto ng fried chicken. Balat pa lang solve ka na. Samantalang ito, halos naubos mo na lahat. Wala pa rin, parang asan yung lasa? Di ba pa na-reklamo? Pero maubos ko na siya. Kapag chicken, kailangan yung pasarapin yung roasted yung chicken. Promise. Kasi marami kayong kompetensya. We have a lot of competitors. KFC, Dalbait, Raising Cane's, Raising Cane's didn't have roasted, but they have a very nice fingers, chicken fingers. So your recipe is aligned sa Popeyes International. Susunod, punta natin ng KFC. Bili natin yung food nila. Nice one. Popeyes chicken from 1 to 5. 5 is the highest. In terms of food, you are 3. So, naubos ko yung chicken. French fries na lang. But yung French fries nila, out of 5, is 2. Popeyes chicken, you need to improve your chicken, I believe. Or, I don't know, because maybe that's your trademark. But based on my experience, I did not enjoy the food. Even I finish it all, of course, because I have to. But in terms of experience, in terms of food taste, you need to improve your chicken. Okay, so thank you all guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, Today with Jem, and yeah, looking forward for more reviews or food reviews. So see you all again next time. Bye.